Hi, and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a stacked jack-o'-lantern that goes along with our Halloween theme that we were doing this week. So this time I decided to make two of them because I thought it was cute with the bats on the side, but then I didn't know if everyone would want the bats. So I made one with the bats and one without, and you guys can decide which one you want to use. It's really easy to put together, and 3 layers is all it is. The only part that's harder is just getting that glue on the black jack-o'-lantern part, which I know that a lot of people use spray adhesive for that kind of stuff. I just don't have time for that, so maybe that's an option for you guys. So let me know what ones you like better, if you like the one with the bats or the one without. I'm just curious to know, and if you like the idea of having a second option. I won't be able to do that with everyone, but the ones that, you know, have an easy fix like this, I could do that. So let me know what you guys think. Hit the like button if you like this SVG, subscribe if you haven't done that, and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.